What's up guys? It's been a long time since I've last vlogged. I hope you guys are doing well during this stressful time period. It's been pretty crazy lately. I hope you guys are staying home and keeping yourselves entertained at home. Don't go out. And for those who are still working outside, frontline workers, groceries, restaurants, my mom and dad, thank you so much for your service. I really hope this all ends soon. So this video is basically a how-to photo shoot at home using things that are lying around the house, you know? And yeah, it's gonna be mostly of me just wrapped around my curtain because like damn, you know, that curtain looked good in like natural lighting. Okay, watch, trust me, you'll see. Like, believe me man, like I don't know where my landlord bought this curtain, but like it's so nice. Well, let's start. Alright guys, this is outfit number one. Basically it's just, ow! I hit myself. It's a suit, you can tell. Okay, let's just do this. Basically, you want to get in your most like seductive pose. Or not really, your most like serious looking pose. Hold on, let me adjust this camera. Okay guys, I'm a mess. There's my rice pot. Okay, you guys get the point. You want to get like all up in that curtain. So, okay, ignore my laundry machine, but yeah. You want to look like Casper the Ghost or something, like, trust me, it'll look nice. You just have to like pose. Oh my god, dude. I just feel like I'm teaching you guys how to be like a professional catfisher. This is not a home photo shoot, this is how to be a catfisher from home. Alright, off to the next. Alright, so for photo shoot number two, we're gonna go for like this, like, I wanna go out, but I can't go out, so we're just gonna have to do this instead. Yeah, I don't know what I'm saying. But, so for this, what you will need is a laptop. What you want to do is to find a like a bright ass color that you like. So for me, I'm choosing red. Honestly, I don't really like a color red, but it's complementary to my dress and it looks nice. So yeah. Next step, obviously, turn off the lights. Pro tip before I forget. You guys want to have a light source that's on, that's kind of far away from you. So this way, like wherever you're shooting, it's still dark, but at the same time you still have some light to work with. This way, you don't have to turn the ISO too high on your camera. Because like, if you guys notice, if you turn up the ISO too high, the image itself starts to become really grainy. Okay guys, welcome to my bootlegged setup. I'm using my AC remote to basically prop up my camera, and you know, I'm using my tripod to record this video, so you gotta do what you gotta do. You gotta improvise, you know? Sony has like this really nice app where you can actually see whatever's on your camera screen on your phone. So let me demonstrate for you. So yeah, I don't know if you guys can see that, but it helped. I can't pose. Oh god, that was terrible, but oh no, I'm not gonna show this picture. But yeah, so it really helps to like focus the camera on you, because before I would do it like freehand and hope for the best that my camera was focused on me, but man, this was a game changer. So anyways, here are the photos that I actually took from this. You're the one that I've been thinking about. You don't know the details. Started in the wrong place. So this is my next outfit change. Ow! I scratched myself. Okay, I should stop with these intros. I'm like, oh god, what's wrong with me? I'm sorry. It's been a while since I've actually like talked to somebody, but I'm talking to my camera, so yeehaw! Yeah, so it was Cambodian New Year's recently, and I wanted to like send my parents some pictures and my relatives, you know, because I'm a narcissist, but yeah, I actually got this dress from my cousin. She had it custom and tailored to me, so wow, it's so beautiful, like okonjon. So for this photo shoot, basically what you're gonna do is basically oh my god, wrap yourself around the curtain, but not like that, nicely. And it should turn out like this. Alright guys, this is the last picture. All you need is lace and you need to face the sun directly. So what you want to do is put the lace over you and the camera. Make this really intimate. And what the sun will do is basically cast the shadows from the lace onto your face. And you know, do your best pose and hope for the best. So these are the photos that I came up with. This looks pretty sick, not gonna lie, this angle, wow. Well, anyways, that concludes this photo shoot. Thanks for watching and I hope you guys have fun.